Hello, everybody. Welcome to another reading of the Bible. We are in First Chronicles chapter 4. First Chronicles chapter 4. This is about the other sons of Judah. Chapter 4. The sons of Judah were Perez, Hezron, and Carmi. Carmi, Hur, Hur, and Shobal. Reaiah, the son of Shobal, begot Yahath. Yahath begot Ahumai and Lahad. These are the families of the Zorathites. These were these were of the father of Etam, Jezrael, and Ishma, and Idbash. And the name of their sister was Hazalel Poneh. Penuel, the father of Gedor, Ezer, the father of Hasha. These are the sons of Hur, the firstborn of Ephratah, the father of Bethlehem. Bethlehem, we know that. Bethlehem. Asher, the father of Tekoa, had two wives, Hela and Naara. Naara bare him Ahuzam and Hefer, and Ahazam, Hefer, and Temeni, ha, Hash, ha, huh, Ahashari. These are the sons of Naara. The sons of Hela were Zerah and Yezohar and Ethnan. Cause, Coz, Cause or Kuz, begot Anub and Zobena, Zo, excuse me, Zobeba, and the families of Eharel, the son of Harun. Jabez, I believe that's Jabez, was more honorable than his brethren, and his mother called his name Jabez, saying, Because I bear him with sorrow. Jabez called on the God of Israel, saying, Oh, that thou wouldest bless me indeed and enlarge my coast, and that thine hand might be with me, and that thou wouldest keep me from evil, that it may not grieve me. And God granted him that which he requested. Shelub, the brother of Shua, begot Mahir, who was the father of Eshton. Eshton begot Bethrapha and Paseah and Tahina, the father of Irnahash. These are the men of Rekha. The sons of Kenaz, Othniel, and Sariah. The sons of Othniel, Hatath, Meonatai, Meonatai, begat Ophrah. Sarai begot Joab, the father of the valley of Karashim, where they were craftsmen. The sons of Caleb, Joshua's friend. Caleb, the son of Shephunneh, Iru, Elah, and Naam, and the sons of Elah, even Kenaz, the sons of Jahalalel were Ziph and Ziphah, or Ziph and Ziphah, Tyriah and Azarael, the sons of Ezra, not the prophet. The sons of Ezra were Yether, or Yeter, Jether. I'm not sure if the T is silent there though. And Meron, I'm in verse 17. And Epher, the son of, and Jether, Mered, Epher, and Yelon, Jalon. And she bare Miriam, and Shammai, and Ishba, the father of Eshtamoa. So there's two Miriams. His wife, Yahudiah, bare Jared, the father of Gedor, and Eber, the father of Soko, Yakutiel, the father of Zanoah. These are the sons of Bithiah, the daughter of Pharaoh, who Mered took. Huh. The sons of his wife, Hodiah, the son of Naham, the father of Caleb, the Garmite, and Eshtemoa, the Maachatite. That's hard. Maachatite. The sons of Simon were Amnon, and Rina, Banahan, Bahanan, and Tilon. The sons of Ishi were Zoheth and Ben-Zoheth. The sons of Shelah, the son of Judah, were the father of Lekah, and Laadah, the father of Marashah. The families of the house of them who wrought fine linen, of the house of Ashbea, Joachim, and the men of Kozeba and Joash, and Saraph, who had the dominion of Moab, and Yashubalem, and these were ancient things. These were the potters and those who dwelt among them, among plants and hedges, that they dwelt with the king for his work. The sons of Simeon were Nemuel, Yamin, Yarib, Zerah, and Shalom, his son, Mibsam, his son, Mishma, his son, the sons of Mishma, Amuel, his son, Zakur, his son, Shemai, his son. Shemai had 16 sons and 6 daughters. Ew. But his brethren had not many children, neither did all their family multiply like the children of Judah. They dwelt at Beersheba, and Molada, and Hazar Shual, at Bilhah, at Ezim and Tolat, at Bethuel and Hormah and Ziklag, at Beth Markabo, Hazar Susim, and at Beth Berai, at Sha'araim. These were the cities under the reign of David. Their villages were Etam, Ain, Ain, Rimon, and Token, and Ashan, 5 cities. All the villages were round about the same cities under Baal. These were their habitations and the genealogies. Meshobab, Yamlech, Yosha, and the son of Amaziah, Joel, and Yehu, the son of Yoshibiah, the son of Shariah, and the son of Asael, Elionai, and Yaakobah, and Yeshahiah, and Isaiah, Adiel, and Yeshimael, and Benaiah. Verse 37. Ziza, a son of Shiphi, the son of Elon, the son of Jediah, the son of Shimri, the son of Shemaiah. These mentioned by their names were princes in their families, and the house of the fathers increased greatly. They went to the entrance of Gedor, even unto the east side of the valley, to seek pasture for their flocks. They found fat pasture and good pasture. Fat and good pasture, and the land was wide, quiet, and peaceable. For they of Ham, the city of Ham, named after one of Noah's sons, I believe, had dwelt there of old. These written by name came in the days of Hezekiah, king of Judah, and smote their tents and habitations that were found there, and destroyed them utterly unto this day, and dwelt in their rooms, because there was pasture there for their flocks. Some of them, even of the sons of Simeon, 500 men, went to Mount Seir, having of the captains Pelatiah, Pelatiah and Naara and Neriah, Rephaiah, Uzziel, the sons of Ishi. They smote the rest of the Amalekites who were escaped and dwelt there unto this day. Crazy. So that's chapter 4 of First Chronicles. Okay.